Pero para makapag-smuggling, I think kailangan yung tao na nag-uutos ng smuggling na yan powerful. Kasi masyado industry itong kinakalaban mo eh.
At saka hindi ka pwedeng mag-smuggling dyan, hindi ka may kasabwat sa
Yeah.
loob, may patron ka. Kasi it's not simple.
You're fighting against an industry.
Yes,
You're killing an industry.
Dadaan ka pa sa customs,
Ah.
di ba? Dadaan ka pa sa DA. Kaya yung sinasabi ni Secretary Chu Laurel na okay na yan kasi may in the first place, why did you allow it?
Yeah.
It's-
Parang okay na lang, ganun ba yun? It was
Pero kailangan talaga, ang kailangan siguro natin talagang sugar. Kulang yung domestic consumption natin.
domestic supply, you mean?
I'm sorry, yung domestic supply
For
kulang.
now, the domestic supply is sufficient. Yun ang sinasabi ng sugar farmers na huwag na mag-import kasi wala namang nagbe-benefit eh. Magkano ang kilo sa sukal sa grocery? Kahit ibaba mo yan ng ilang peso, they won't feel the difference. But the landowners, the planters, will feel it, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi syempre bulk eh. Pero yung consumer will not feel it so
Yeah.
much. May
Yeah.
bababa lang siya ng mga 2 piso,
It's
ganyan.
the sugar planters.
Yes.
Balang